Okay, of course, we also did this clamping operation earlier. So similar to windowing, intensity windowing. We can also perform point operations based on histograms, right? Histograms will show you whether the brightness has really increased or contrast has really increased, or whether you have inverted the image looking at the histograms. So histograms tell you more information, right? So you can also do adjusting the contrast automatically, case for which you will have to choose an equation, something like this. So if you use this equation, you can perform what is called the contrast. Okay, so automatic contrast by touching the image histograms. Okay, there are again, modifying this contrast. Okay, and making it uniform throughout. So this is the histogram which is non-uniform in nature. So h of I is made uniform, then you will have what is called uniform histogram. Uniform histogram is good for example, uniform histogram is good to something like this.